Hello children, good morning. Once again, this is your teacher, Teacher Ami. Please join me and let us learn about addition and subtraction of the similar fraction. Yesterday, we add and subtract fractions of different denominators using the Rick method. How do you find it? Yes, it's very hard since it involves many operations. This time, we will do it again in a simpler way. Do you see this? This is what we call fraction slides. Are you excited? So let's begin. Children, let's watch this. We have heard the fraction slides or the fraction strips from denominator of 1 up to the denominator of 10. We have also fraction bars. We are going to use this one in scaling our answers. There are two types of fraction bars or scalar. The reduced to lowest term, we are going to use this one if our answer is needed to reduce to lowest term, and not reduced to lowest term. If the answer is not needed to reduce to lowest term, so we will use this scalar. Now, we are going to make an example. We will try to add fractions. Example, 1/3 plus 1/2 equals what? So, we will get the strips or the slides 1/3. So, we will find this one. Okay, here it goes. 1/3. And we will get 1/2. So, 1/2. Where's 1/2? The 1/2 is lost. 1/2. Okay, here it goes. 1/2. Since it is an addition, so we are going to put it in continuation, like this one. After that, we will bring it to the scalar and find which bar it is fitted. Example, here it is not fitted. The second bar is not. The third one, the fourth, the sixth bar, it is really fitted. This one, look at this one. Okay, therefore 1/3 plus 1/2 equals 5/6. It's so easy. Now we are going to subtract fractions in a simpler way using the slides. Example, 1/2 minus 1/3. What will be the answer? So we are going to get 1/2. Then 1/3. Since it is subtraction, we will put it like this way. Okay. So, the remaining part, we are going to scale the remaining part. Look at. It is fitted to 1/6. The remaining part is 1/6. Therefore, 1/2 minus 1/3 equals 1/6.